Hi everyone, welcome to Evonik MetAMINO Southeast Asia Private Limited. In 2014, Evonik commissioned its first Asia-Pacific production complex for MetAMINO, which is an essential amino acid DL-methionine used in sustainable animal feed on Jurong Island, Singapore. Then in 2019, to better serve the strong demand and customers in Asia, Evonik opens its second production complex for MetAMINO right next to the first one. Today, with an annual nameplate capacity of 300,000 tons, the Singapore site hires a workforce of more than 300 people and operates a continuous manufacturing process 24/7, producing MetAMINO and serving key markets in Asia and around the world. Evonik is a strong advocate for workplace safety, health, and environment. We constantly promote a safe working environment and Evonik safety cultural framework known as Safety at Evonik. Beyond safety, sustainability has also long been a growth driver in many of our businesses. As a company, we are dedicated to reducing greenhouse gas emission and systematically examining sustainability-relevant aspects along the value chain. As the ongoing effort by the company in providing a conducive working environment, the site has established a canteen facility in catering a balanced diet of good varieties for the employees. In addition to that, a medical center with experienced full-time nurses and paramedics is also available at the site to deal with any form of medical situations. Annual health screenings is also conducted for the employees on site to their convenience to safeguard the medical wellness of the workforce. Evonik MetAMINO Singapore Complex is a state-of-the-art, fully integrated production facility that requires a seamless collaboration among all the production units. As such, learning and development is an essential element for a successful operation. We focus a lot on building up our workforce capabilities and competencies through a structured and comprehensive on-the-job training program. We also constantly look into developing, retaining, and supporting our people in building a fulfilling career with Evonik. As an example, we offer local and overseas job rotation opportunities for employees to gain valuable exposure to different aspects of our businesses.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.